ChatGPT passive income. Hi there. Today, we're going to be discussing 5 ways you can make passive income using ChatGPT technology. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to generate unique and high-quality articles, blog posts, and videos. You can monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. E-commerce. Create chatbots for e-commerce businesses to automate customer service and sales processes. You can offer this service to multiple businesses and receive a recurring income. Virtual assistants. Develop a virtual assistant chatbot using ChatGPT to assist with tasks such as scheduling, email management, and data entry. Charge a monthly fee for the use of your chatbot. Educational chatbots. Create chatbots to assist students and professionals in learning new skills and acquiring knowledge. Monetize through subscription-based services or one-time payments for access to premium content. Custom chatbots. Offer custom chatbot development services to businesses and individuals. Chatbots can be used for a variety of purposes such as marketing, customer service, and automation. And those are our 5 ways to make passive income using ChatGPT. With the increasing demand for automation and AI technology, there's never been a better time to dive into this field. Good luck!